Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by isolating power. Disconnect the battery negative terminal to prevent sparks and short circuits. Once done, put on eye protection and insulated gloves, safety first. Next, choose a mounting spot for the kill switch near the steering column or fuse box where wiring access is easy. Strip the selected 1416 AWG wire ends and run them to the switch location through existing grommets to avoid chafing. Make sure to include a 510 inline fuse on the hot lead. Now you wire the switch inline with the ignition or fuel pump trigger. First, verify the correct hot lead using a multimeter while turning the key to accessory. Label it. Then cut that lead and connect one cut end to the switch input and the other to the output using quality crimp connectors. Solder if desired, and heat shrink tubing for insulation. Once connected, route cables neatly, secure them with zip ties to the chassis away from moving parts, and maintain about 1/2 inch clearance from heat sources. With everything secured, reconnect the battery negative terminal and test the kill switch with the key in the run position. The engine should shut off or the starter should be disabled depending on your wiring choice. Once confirmed, mount the switch firmly and install a weatherproof boot if exposed to elements. If the switch does not affect the system, stop and recheck the inline fuse, use a multimeter to verify continuity through the switch, and ensure you interrupted the correct circuit. These checks solve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.